Hello everyone, this is Vaishnavi Balwanta Nalavde. Welcome you all in our YouTube channel Vaishnavi Nalavde. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe first and press the bell icon to get latest updates of new videos. Okay, so today we are going to study the next point, that is volatile oils. In that, mentha is the first drug. Mentha is the oldest known species of medicinal plant in Eastern and Western traditions, other than its use as a flavoring agent from chewing gum to after dinner meals. It is also used in cosmetics and other pharmaceutical products. Mentha means synonym of that mentha, Oleum mentha piperata, colpermin and mentha oil. Biological source: the oil is obtained by the steam distillation of fresh flowering tops of the plant Mentha piperata leaf. The oil is rectified if required. Mentha oil should contain not less than 50% of total menthol. Family belong to the Labiataceae. Okay, mentha is the oldest known species of medicinal plant in Western and Western tradition. Other than its use as a flavoring agent from chewing gum to after dinner meals, it is also used in cosmetics and other pharmaceutical products. Biological source: it is the fresh flowering tops of the plant Mentha piperata belonging to family Labiataceae. Geographical source: species of mentha are cultivated in different parts of the world. It grows widely in Europe and is cultivated in Japan, England, France, Italy, USA, Bulgaria and USSR. It is cultivated near Jammu and in Tarai region of Uttar Pradesh in India. Microscopic features: in that colorless to yellow, odor, characteristics and pleasant, taste pungent followed by cooling sensation. In solubility: soluble in 70% of alcohol, ether, chloroform, insoluble in water. You can see this image of mentha leaf. Microscopic features: in that first you can see this transverse section of mentha stem. So leaves are the most important part from which oil is extracted. Its upper epidermis comprises of large clear epidermal cells with sinus, vertical walls, few or number of stomata and a few glandular trichomes. No stomata. Then palisade parenchyma comprises of a layer of columnar cells having abundant chloroplasts. Spongy parenchyma comprises of 4 to 6 layers of irregularly shaped cells containing chloroplastids and intracellular air spaces. Lower epidermis comprises of small epidermal cells having sinus, vertical walls and numerous diastatic stomata. Non-glandular and glandular trichomes are present as outgrowth in the region of veins and midrib. The non-glandular trichomes are uniserate, papillose and 1 to 8 cell, while the glandular trichomes have 1 to 2 cell stalk and 1 to 8 cell glandular head containing the volatile oil. Calcium oxalate crystals are not present in the mentha leaf. Okay, these are the microscopic features of mentha leaf. Then next one, that is chemical constituents present in the mentha. The chief mimic The chief chemical constituents of mentha oil is L-menthol, which exists 70% in free form and also in form of esters depending on the variety like American, Japanese and Indian. American variety contains 80% of menthol and the Japanese variety contains 70 to 90% of menthol. Menthol, menthofuran, jasmine, methyl isovalerate, methyl acetate and many other terpene derivatives are other important constituents of mentha oil. Other terpenes include L-limonene, isopelugolol, cineol, pinene, camphene, etc. The pleasant flavor of mentha oil is because of jasmine and esters, and its dirty smell is due to resinification caused by menthofuran. You can see these chemical structures of menthol, pulegon, menthone and menthofuran. Then next, chemical test. A few drops of peppermint oil are mixed with 5 ml of nitric acid solution prepared by mixing 1 ml of nitric acid with 300 ml of glacial acetic acid. The resultant mixture is heated on water bath. A blue color appears within 5 minutes of heating. On other or further heating, the blue color darkens to copper color fluorescence, which becomes golden yellow after some time to give a clear and transparent liquid. Uses. It is used as a carminative stimulant and flavoring agent. It shows mild antiseptic properties. It is used in toothpaste, tooth powders, shaving creams and in various pharmaceutical dosage forms. It is also used for preparing chewing gums, candy, jellies, perfumes and essence. It possesses calcium channel blocking activity which produces spasmolytic and smooth muscle relaxant effects. Therefore, it is used in irritable bowel syndrome due to its muscle relaxant activity. Mentha oil is used to relieve spasm during endoscopy of colon. It stimulates the bile flow, thus exhibits digestant activity. Azulene present in the leaves shows anti-inflammatory and anti-ulcer activity. It is considered by US FDA as generally regarded as safe grass as a nasal decongestant. It is used for inhalation in steam and in topical products and lozenges for its antitussive properties. These are the uses of mentha oil. These are the image of this mentha oil. Mentha piperita 60 ml. Okay, 100% pure essential oil. Then mentha piperita oil. Health benefits. Grants absolute tranquility, smooths the digestive system, then emancipates all forms of stagnation, naturates the skin, relieves pain and inflammation, respiratory problem, alleviates fever and neuralgia, regularizes menstruation. These are the health benefits of mentha piperita oil. Thank you. Stay safe. Learn more and more. Not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe first and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of new videos. Thank you.